In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate and reactivate a user in Salesforce. We'll walk through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can temporarily remove a user's access, free up their license, and then restore access later when needed. This is especially useful when someone is leaving temporarily, changing roles, or no longer needs immediate access to the system. One important thing to keep in mind is that in Salesforce, user records are not hard deleted, so the correct approach is to deactivate the user rather than trying to remove the record entirely. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Salesforce Setup. Once you're in Setup, use the search bar to look for users. This will take you to the area where user accounts are managed. If you work in Salesforce often, this is one of the main places you'll return to for user administration, permissions, and access-related updates. When you see the list of users, find the specific user record you want to update. Next to that user, click the Edit Action link. This opens the user details page where you can make changes to that account. Take a moment here to confirm that you're editing the correct user before saving any changes, especially if your organization has a large number of similar names or roles. To deactivate the user immediately, locate the active checkbox and uncheck it. This is the key action that removes the user's ability to log in and access Salesforce. Since Salesforce keeps the user record for reporting, ownership, and historical tracking, deactivation is the standard and recommended method for disabling access. After unchecking the active box, click Save. Once saved, the change takes effect and the user's license seat is released back into your organization's available license pool. That means the license can be reassigned if needed, which is helpful for organizations managing a limited number of seats. If you need to restore access later, return to that same user record, click Edit again, and recheck the active box. Then click Save one more time to reactivate the account. This restores the user's access settings and allows them to sign in again, assuming everything else on the account remains in place. That's the full process for deactivating and reactivating a user in Salesforce. It's a quick task, but it plays an important role in access control, license management, and keeping your Salesforce environment organized.